Today we're tackling, I think, one of the biggest challenges in global business. How do you survive, let alone win, in a totally saturated market? I mean, when everyone has good quality and the price is competitive, what's left?
That's it. It's about survival. And from our perspective, that battle isn't won on a spec sheet. It's won in the buyer's mind.
In their mind. How so?
They make decisions based on three things: perception, emotion, and signals of confidence.
Okay, so our mission today is to unpack the psychological factors you actually use to get international manufacturers into markets like Alaytown.
Exactly. Let's get into it.
So where do you even begin? How do you cut through all that noise to get seen in the first place?
It starts with something really simple: immediate clarity.
Clarity.
Yeah. The client's brain is looking for shortcuts. If they can't figure out who you are and what you offer in, say, 10 seconds,
They're gone.
they're gone. We have a saying: the one who confuses loses. The one who clarifies wins.
So no long technical documents right out of the gate.
No, just a crystal clear value proposition.
But wait, if everyone is trying to be clear, how do you make your signal louder?
You have to back that clarity with immediate authority.
Especially in, like, the health sector, right?
Yeah.
They're not buying a product, they're buying expertise.
Precisely. Authority is all about reducing perceived risk.
And in volatile markets, risk is everything.
It is. So we don't just say we're experts, we prove it.
How?
We show up with real-time analysis of the local competition. We show our success rates with regulatory compliance. We basically signal we've already mapped your entire path to success.
Okay, so that lowers the initial risk. But then you have to build actual trust, the foundational kind.
And that brings us to coherence.
What do you mean by coherence?
Think of it as non-negotiable stability. Trust is built through hundreds of tiny signals.
Right.
If your marketing materials look amazing, but your email responses are slow or sloppy,
It creates a crack in the foundation.
a huge crack. Coherence means every single touchpoint tells the same story of quality and stability. In these markets, that consistency is pure gold.
And we, as humans, we validate that stability by looking at what other people have done. Social proof.
Yes, I could tell you all day how great we are.
But I'm not going to believe you until I see who else does.
Exactly. So things like certifications, export volumes, they're important.
Yeah.
But the most powerful proof we have is our network.
The distributor network in Alaytown.
Right. When a manufacturer can immediately connect with a respected local network, it bypasses months of due diligence. It's instant credibility.
It's like someone they already trust is vouching for you.
It's undeniable proof. It says, we've already been vetted for risk.
Okay, so we have clarity, authority, coherence, and social proof. That's a strong foundation. But these are almost becoming table stakes now, aren't they?
They are. The true competitive advantage has to go deeper. It has to be emotional.
And that starts with strategic empathy.
This is the real key, the game changer. Differentiation doesn't come from your product. It comes from deeply, truly understanding the daily pain points of the distributor.
The things the product itself can't solve.
Exactly. Their biggest pain isn't price. It's the regulatory nightmare they'll face if they choose the wrong supplier. It's the product that just sits on the shelf.
When you show you get that on that level, you stop being a supplier. You become an ally.
You become an ally. They feel you're invested in their success, not just a sale.
And that empathy, that feeling of being an ally, drives the ultimate differentiator, which is the complete experience.
The product is just the entry ticket. The real advantage is all the support that comes after.
Like what, specifically?
I mean, providing sales training videos in Spanish, not just English. Having a dedicated logistics person who knows Chilean customs forms inside and out.
Little things that aren't so little.
They're everything. The buyer has to feel that working with you is a relief, that you make their life genuinely easier.
So if we tie this all together, differentiation isn't about having the lowest price or the loudest marketing.
Not at all. It's strategy, it's psychology, and it's execution. It's about communicating better, understanding better, and frankly, just executing better at every single point.
So, for everyone listening, what does this all mean for you? If you master these 6 psychological factors, your brand won't just win one sale. It'll stay in your client's mind, always. So here's the final thought. What element of your current strategy needs the most empathy to truly break through the noise? Thanks for diving deep with us.